Hi everyone. In this Excel video, we are going to understand the VLOOKUP exact match, approximate match, and also alternative function is the index match function. So in this video, we learn by example. So let's start. So here you can see on my screen the employee name, department name, city, product name, price, and sale. This is the our data, and here you can see we have the long data. And if you notice this, so I the already showed the this data in ascending order. How I did? Simply I select this the control shift down arrow, okay, and right click, and here you can see the short. So you can short. So why I do the short? Because the we are understand the approximate match, and approximate match required the short order. Okay. So here you can see the data. Now the let's first understand the exact match VLOOKUP. So simple. We already many times practice already did. So lookup value is the Charu Kumar, comma, table area. Whenever we comes name the table area, simply select Control Shift and down arrow. For back, Control backspace, comma. Column index. For example, I need to sales column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma, and at this moment we are trying to understand the exact match. So select this and hit enter. So you got the answer 218. So this is the exact match. Got it? Let's understand the approximate match. Match function is option to use when you want to function to return the closest match. Return the closest match to your lookup value. Okay, so lookup value I select here the 300. Yeah, you can select the any according your data. Okay, so return the closest match to your lookup value when exact match isn't. So exact match is not 250 is not 240 is not here in this cell. Okay, so let's find the approximate equal VLOOKUP. Again the VLOOKUP function lookup value is the 240, comma, table array. Simply select the table array, shift control down arrow, control backspace, comma, column index number, employee name. We want to return the employee name, 2, comma, and approximate match, and hit enter. So this is about the approximate match, and why the show approximate is the closest match. Simply keep remember the approximate match equal closest match. Okay, closest match to your lookup value. Got it? So here you can see the in the list Charu Kumar 240 and 250. So 240 is not here, so it shows the Charu Kumar. If I change the here the lookup value the 300, so Jene due show, and here you can see the 300 near closest match is here Jene due 250. So this is the approximate match. I show you the another example with example. So here you can see the small data sales and commission rate, and here uh, suppose if to find the commission rate for the sale amount the 3000, and here you can see the 3000 is not here. Okay, 3000 is not here. So this is your not exact match. Clear? So we need to find the closest match. So equal VLOOKUP lookup value 3000, comma. Where is the 3000? So simply select table array, entire data, comma. Column index what we need return commission. So 2, comma, approximate match. If I select the exact match, so not applicable. Simple. Because the 3000 is not here. Got it? Let's, if we choose the approximate and hit enter, so you got the answer 7%. And why shows the, because the 3000 between the 5000 and 2000 between. Got it? So this is the your approximate match in VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP always the keep remember your VLOOKUP always in should be left side. Start from the left side. Lookup value should be in left side. Okay, so that's why the approximate, when we are use the approximate, I copy the cell column and the employee name is here. Okay, so keep remember three things. Like the short data, the first column of the table array must be short in the ascending order. Second, the closest value. If the exact match is not found, VLOOKUP return the next smallest value, that is the less than the lookup value. And the third thing, use case. This is the particularly useful when the working with the range, such as the grading scale, tax rate, and the discount tiers. Okay, so where you want to find the closest applicable rate or value. Got it? So this is your VLOOKUP, approximate and exact match. Okay, now let's understand the index match. Why I'm talking the index match function in this video? Because this is the alternative function of VLOOKUP. The greater flexibility and the consider using the index match function, which can also perform the approximate match and don't require the data to be short. Understand? We don't need to short data is a very important thing. The second thing is the index match function in the Excel can be combined to perform lookups similar to VLOOKUP with added flexibility. Unlike the VLOOKUP, an index match doesn't require the lookup column to be the first column, can perform lookup in any direction. How? I show you. So for example, I take the Udaipur and this is the third column, and let's find the index match. Equal index array. So I take the small data here. So you can see the 16 row I take the till the 16 row. Okay. Here we use the match function. Match is the Udaipur lookup value, comma. Where is the Udaipur? So simply select the range. Okay, comma. Here we need to find the exact match. Here three options: less than, exact match, and the greater than. So at this moment we choose the exact match and hit enter, and you got the answer 218. So you get the answer VLOOKUP with the 218 and the index match with 218. If I add the serial number is here uh, before the employee name, so 218 is worked with the index match function, but VLOOKUP is not applicable. That shows error any kind of. So this is the difference between the index match and between the VLOOKUP. Okay, let's understand the with the index match function here also. So here criteria already 3000. Let's find the answer. Equal index array. So what is the array here? What is the array? Simply commission rate, because we want to find commission. Understood? Here we use the match function. Lookup value 3000, comma, select this range, comma, and now here we don't use we can't use the exact match. If you use your show, you got the error, not applicable, because the 3000 is shown in this not listed, yeah, not here. But if I the take the less than, yeah, greater than, but I choose the less than, the use the first and hit enter, so you got the answer. So this is the approximate. This is the approximate. Simple. So you get the answer with the VLOOKUP and powerful function in the index match. So you can easily get the answer with the index match function. So why we use the index match function? I give you some reason. The first is the flexibility. You can search column to left or right of your lookup array, unlike the VLOOKUP, which only look to right, only right. VLOOKUP only take the right, not left. Okay, and the index match, any direction can work, left or right. Second thing, no sorting needed to exact match. Unlike the VLOOKUP, the approximate match, which require the sorting. Keep remember, we need to sort the data if we are using approximate function. And index match doesn't require the sorting if you are looking the exact match. Got it? At the performance level, the index match can be faster than the VLOOKUP in the large data set, as it can work with the unsorted data when performing exact match. This is the really super way to use the index match function. You can use easier way. So using index match is a powerful way to perform the lookup in Excel, offering the more flexibility and the control than the VLOOKUP. Understood? And the simple thing and last thing I want to share, the less than, the greater than. What is the greater than, less than in index function? So index function array. So simply select this array. I choose the small data from here, so 16 row till comma Udaipur match function, lookup value Udaipur, comma lookup array till 16. Okay, and here you can see the three options: less than, exact match, and greater than. So at this moment we choose the less than and hit enter. So here you can see the 120 less than, and here you can see that Udaipur and less than you can see. Okay, and the greater than, if you want to greater than, you want to see, so simply you have to type the -1 and greater than 130. So less than 120 and 130 greater than. So this is the less than and the greater than in the index match function. So in this video we understand the what is the difference between the exact match and the approximate match under the VLOOKUP, and the alternative function, the index match function we understand with the example. So that's about this video. I hope this video is helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing status. See you in next video.